Hi, have you seen the logo lights or puddle lights on B8 and up Audis that look like this? And you wonder, how come I can't get that on a B5? Well, this video is gonna show you it is doable, and I think it turned out pretty good. So what came on my Audi B5 was just this red light that turns on when you open the door, and on my B8 I've got the red light and the courtesy light at the bottom, and I put in the logo lights on that one, and it was a really simple thing to do. But when I looked on the bottom of the door of my B5, there was no such light and no indentation to put in a light. So what I did was I took the door panel off and determined where I could put the light and cut a hole just a little bit smaller than the logo light. And then I basically took the wire that was connected to this red light and connected it to the new logo light. So I just wanted to give a close-up look of what I did here. So I cut a hole in the bottom of the door a little bit smaller than the light here, and the wire here was connected to this one over here, so there's enough room in here to move it from this light down here. And yes, this one's disconnected, but you know, I don't really mind that this one doesn't work. I'm sure you could splice into this connector and get them both to work, but I'm just, you know, made it easy. So this connector, I just hook up my projector light to it, and like I said, cut this hole in the bottom of the door, and that's it. So let's see if I can hook this up here. So it's connector's hooked up, and then you just slide it in, and so here's what it looks like in the light. Is in the dark. And here's the passenger side.